Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read an essay today. Should men and women have equal rights? Now all the feminists out there don't have to get up in arms. I totally support that women should have equal rights as men, and that's what this essay will be all about. There is nothing they cannot accomplish. Gone are the centuries where they used to wear bangles of different hues at different stages of life. The modern women are ambitious and independent. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. The meaning is that no man in history has ever been successful without the support of a strong mother or a wife or a sister or even a daughter. No, this sentence does not mean that women are only behind successful men. All great men have acknowledged this fact. It is therefore inconceivable, unimaginable to deny them equal rights in society. After all, they are also human beings endowed with, gifted with the same mental, emotional, and physical faculties possessed by men. Yes, biologically speaking, there might be some differences, but as far as opportunities are concerned, they should be equal. Next paragraph. Women today play a complementary and important role in the family. We no longer should have a society where the male is the head of the family. We all know secretly who is the head of the family. Nature has gifted them with special attributes so that the human race could continue to grow and prosper. Imagine, without the female empowerment, the world would not have progressed so much. Thus, while men are endowed with strength, women are endowed with human sensibilities and emotions like love, compassion, and care. Biologically speaking, they are more compassionate compared to men. These are extremely vital for the upbringing of the future generation, who are the beacon of hope for the nation. Beacon means light. Women are the fulcrum around which the whole family revolves. She plays an indispensable, that is critical, role as a homemaker, and being a homemaker is no less a job than having a full-time job in any office. Intellectually, they are second to none. A cursory glance, a glimpse at the high school or secondary school results show a higher pass percentage of girls compared to boys, because while boys are busy playing video games, girls are studying sincerely. They are thus blessed with the same or even better mental and intellectual power than men. More and more women are now working shoulder to shoulder with their male counterparts in almost all fields of human activity. They are venturing into new fields that were till recently considered to be the exclusive domain or field of males, like aviation, defense, and even space. Their contribution in the field of education and healthcare is a well-acknowledged fact, an accepted fact. Then you can give a list of some inspiring women personalities like Indira Gandhi, Margaret Thatcher, Kalpana Chawla. Quantitatively, they comprise about 50% of the human population and also contribute significantly to the GDP of the country. GDP means the gross domestic product. It's like the national income of the country. Women also contribute a lot to that. Taking note of their invaluable contribution, the developed and developing countries have given them their rightful place in society by giving them equal rights in all respects. So most of the democratic countries of the world treat women as equal to men. Today, they have the right to vote, right to property, right to education and work. So this has resulted in their emancipation, that is freedom. So this has led to the renaissance in modern society, a transformation for the better. only then will society become more progressive and modern. On the other hand, countries which have denied equal rights to women continue to be backward in all spheres, including social and technological fields. Last para. Undoubtedly, men and women complement each other and should have equal rights in all respects. The need of the hour is not to question this reality, but to devise ways and means to uplift women. There is need to provide them with proper educational training so that they grow and develop to their maximum potential. Only then will our society be enriched, and that would lead to the economic development of our country. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.